Choosing the right case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max is about balancing protection, MagSafe compatibility, usability, and value. With prices ranging from budget-friendly to premium, consumers can select cases that prioritize anti-yellowing transparency, rugged protection, or minimalist styling. This comparison evaluates 5 options from Subfine, F&T case.
Product number 1. Subfine Magnetic for iPhone 11 Pro Max case, compatible with MagSafe. Military-grade drop protection, translucent matte shock-proof phone. The Subfine MagSafe compatible case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max emphasizes strong magnetic attraction, a matte translucent back, and military-grade protection up to 10 feet. The dual-material construction uses a flexible TPU frame with a hard PC back, providing a premium grip while maintaining a slim profile. Priced at $7.89, it sits in the budget to mid-range, offering reliable MagSafe alignment and scratch resistance with anti-fingerprint properties at the rear. Performance-wise, the case delivers solid drop protection through reinforced corners and a 1.2mm raised screen lip, plus 2.5mm camera guard. Product number 2. FNTC-A case for iPhone 11 Pro Max. Clear magnetic phone cases compatible with MagSafe SWIN anti-yellowing military-grade drop protection, rugged protective transparent cell phone cover, A Clear. The FNTC A Clear case is an ultra-clear anti-yellowing MagSafe compatible option built with 38 N52 magnets and a 2400 GF pull force. At $3.95, it represents an exceptionally budget-friendly choice that emphasizes transparency, anti-smudge properties, and robust drop protection via 4 corner airbags and a 10-foot military-grade rating. The combination of PC, back, and TPU edges maintains clarity while providing a scratch-resistant surface. Product number 3. OtterBox Symmetry Series case for iPhone 11 Pro Max, not 11 Pro. Non-retail packaging polycarbonate. OtterBox Symmetry is a slim, protective case designed specifically for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. At $14.99, it balances protection with a slick, pocket-friendly profile. It features a one-piece design that snaps on easily and offers durable polycarbonate construction with shock-absorbent materials. The case emphasizes seamless style with a clear and sleek finish, while maintaining wireless compatibility and a limited lifetime warranty. Performance-wise, the Symmetry delivers robust drop protection through a refined bumper and raised edges to safeguard the screen. Product number 4. Subfine Magnetic for iPhone 11 Pro Max case, compatible with MagSafe, 10-foot military-grade drop protection, slim, translucent, matte shock-proof with anti-fingerprint phone case. This Subfine variant emphasizes a slim, translucent matte finish in forest green, still delivering MagSafe compatibility and 10-foot military-grade drop protection. At $9.74, it positions itself as a mid-range alternative with the same magnetic and protective capabilities as the black variant, but with a different aesthetic and color option. The case uses a TPU frame with a matte PC back to resist smudges and fingerprints while ensuring a premium feel. In use, the case delivers precise cutouts, soft touch buttons, and reliable MagSafe alignment for wireless charging and accessories. Product number 5. OtterBox iPhone 11 Pro Max only Defender Series case, black, case only, rugged. The Defender Series is OtterBox's flagship rugged option, priced at $25.95. It uses multi-layered defense with a solid inner shell and a soft outer slip cover, plus port covers to keep out dust and debris. This model is the most protection-focused choice in the lineup, and it excludes a built-in screen protector, requiring users to accept either a separate screen protector or rely on the case's raised edges for protection. In practice, the Defender offers outstanding resistance to drops in demanding environments, along with a belt clip holster option not included in this non-retail packaging. The larger form factor and heavier weight, 3.2 ounces, reflect its rugged design.